Mentup. Find a mentor and grow. By Mains and Family. Episode 310. Mastering Professional Evolution, How Mentup Promotes Continuous Learning and Innovation. In an era of relentless change, keeping pace with shifting industry demands and technology trends can feel overwhelming. Fortunately, professional success is about something other than outpacing evolution but evolving with it. Enter Mentup, an empowering platform that promotes continuous learning and innovation and inspires individuals to triumph personally and professionally. Mentup helps you transform your mindset and unlock your full potential through strategic mentorship, innovative tactics, and an inspiring community. This inclusive, step-by-step guide reveals how Mentup champions adaptability, opening a world of seemingly boundless opportunity. Elevate your professional journey with Mentup. Master the art of continuous learning and innovation with expert guidance, and unlock your full potential. Discover the power of mentorship and take the first step towards mastering professional evolution. Final thoughts. Mastering professional evolution means constantly honing your skills, seeking growth opportunities, and staying curious. Mentup equips you with cutting-edge tools and the genuine passion to navigate today's fast-paced professional world confidently and gracefully. By truly embodying the core values of continuous learning and innovation, you pave the way for personal and professional triumph. Embrace the transformative power of the Mentup platform and elevate your journey to uncharted heights. Develop a deeply rooted mindset that's adaptable, strategically focused, and brimming with tenacity, and embark on a voyage of limitless possibilities. List of key takeaways. Continuous learning and adaptability are essential in today's rapidly changing professional landscape. Mentup brings genuine passion and expert guidance to the Mentup platform. Mentup promotes innovation, supportive mentorship, and a robust community to foster growth and unlock potential. Embrace the mindset of lifelong learning and strategic thinking to achieve personal and professional success. Tap into the transformative power of Mentup and begin mastering professional evolution. Brought to you by Mentup. Find a mentor and grow. Created with Mains Studio. Copyright Mains Media.